Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we will be making Kolkata style Mughlai paratha. Mughlai paratha is a popular Bengali street food which is believed to have originated in Bengal during the time of Mughal Empire. These are the simple ingredients required to make the meat filling. In a hot wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, put 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir and add 1 chopped onion and fry it well. When the onion starts getting a little color, add the minced lamb. While mixing, in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix and add half a cup of warm water and cover and cook the meat for about 10 minutes. Let the water dry up completely before removing it from the heat. These are the ingredients needed in order to make the dough for the paratha. We will add around 300 grams of refined flour in a big bowl. Add salt as per your taste and around 4 tablespoons of oil. Knead it well and make a medium hard dough. Leave it for 20 minutes before rolling it. Divide it into 4 equal parts and drizzle few drops of oil to it. Pour adequate amount of oil in a pan for frying and let it heat up. Here are the ingredients needed for final filling of the parathas. We will use 1 egg for 1 paratha. So break 1 egg in a small bowl. Add some chopped onions, chopped green chilies, a little salt, and the prepared meat filling. Beat the whole thing well and roll the dough thinly. Be careful not to tear it though. Now pour the whole filling and fold it like this. See that it is completely sealed from all sides, otherwise the egg will ooze out while frying. Fry 1 or 2 at a time in low flame. Change the sides and fry till they are crispy and light brown in color. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.